A hearty welcome to you all. It's my pleasure to stand here and convey this message to you at a right time. Understanding the feelings of others is the ability to put oneself in the shoes of another person. The quality of feeling and understanding another person's situation in the present moment and communicating this to the person. Yes, our topic is about empathy. Here, our Velamani Public School Little Stars of Class 3 is going to share about empathy. Before I end up my speech, I like to share you a thought. The great gift of human beings is that we have the power of empathy. Thank you.
Good morning to all. We are all gardeners, planting seed of intention and watering them with attention in every moment of every day. I request our principal to water the plant.
Good morning, principal, all teachers and my friends. One song can change a movement of our life, so let's start our PPA journey by singing the prayer song. Thank you. God's love to me is wonderful. God's love to me is wonderful. God's love to me is wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Thank you. My name is Indira Varman, study in 3rd standard, Velangani Public School, CBSE, Krishnagiri. Today topic about empathy. Empathy is simplest awareness of the feeling and emotional of other people. It is a key element of emotional intelligence. The 5 key elements of emotional understanding other, developing up other, having service oriented, political awareness. Thank you. Good morning to all. A very warm welcome on behalf of my grade 3. I am extremely honored to have a chance in the precious moment to address our honorable principal, academic coordinator and my dear parents. Now our friends are going to perform a short culture program about empathy. Let us see and enjoy it. Thank you. Is about finding a cause of another person in yourself. Now I call Miss Gitika to give an introduction of empathy. Empathy is at its simplest awareness of the feelings and emotion of other people. It is a key element of emotional intelligence, the link between self and others, because it is how we as individuals understand what others are experiencing as if we were feeling it ourselves.
Empathy is like giving someone a psychological hug. Here my friend Miss Prapti is share about the importance of empathy. I'm very scary, but I'm afraid to swim. No, definitely not swimming in this. What I should do? Oh well, I will play in sand. This sand toy looks great. And a flag. But the ocean. Uh-oh. I'm not gonna die then because bumblebees will be there. Maybe I'm scared. I should be brave. I have strong willpower. It's so summer. I'm so sad. I'm not going to risk that. My puppy has died. Poor him. Cognitive empathy occurs if a person is able to imagine herself in the situation of another. Here are some strategies our graduates around the world use with their students' help to develop both affective and cognitive empathy. Thank you.
Emotional empathy is also known as emotional contagion and is catching someone else's feeling so that you literally feel them too. Thank you.
Empathy is understanding someone's feelings and taking the appropriate action to help it. Thank you. Understanding other people's emotion is a key skill in our workplace. It can enable us to resolve conflicts, to build more productive teams, and it improve our relationships with coworkers, clients, and customers. VSC, your voice for kindness, your ears for compassion, your hand for charity, your mind for truth, your heart for love. Because of the value placed on individual materialistic success in our society, we are surrounded by people primarily interested in getting something from others. Their attitudes are characterized by selfishness and lack of empathy for others. Thank you. Emotional empathy, just like it sounds, involve directly feeling the emotions that another person is feeling. You are properly heard of the term empathy, meaning a person with the ability to fully take on the emotion and mental state of another. My friend Master Michael Edward is going to share here 8 ways to strengthen your own empathy.
Challenge yourself, get out of your usual environment, get feedback, explore the heart, not just the head, walk in others' shoes, examine your biases, cultivate the sense of curiosity, ask better questions.
வணக்கம். பச்சாதாபம் பற்றிய உரையை தொடங்கி வருகிறார் என் நண்பர்கள். ஒருவருடைய சுயமரியாதை அவர் மேல் காட்டப்படும் பச்சாதாபம் பாதிக்கப்படும் போதுதான் அவர் மன அழுத்தத்தை சந்திக்கிறார். சமீப காலமாக மக்கள் மனதை அமைதி குறைந்து எதிலும் ஒருவித வேகம், அவசரம், ஆக்ரோஷ உணர்வு தற்போது ஏற்பட்டு வருகிறது. இதுவே குற்றங்கள் நடைபெற அடிப்படை காரணமாகிறது. ஒவ்வொருவரும் அடுத்தவரிடத்தில் அன்பு செலுத்துவதும் இரக்கம் காட்டுவதும் தான் குற்ற செயல்கள் நடைபெறாமல் தடுக்க ஒரே வழி. எனவே அனைவரிடமும் அன்பு செலுத்த வேண்டும். பச்சதாபம் நம்முடைய மிக மோசமான எதிரி. அதற்கு நாம் இரையாகிவிட்டால் இந்த உலகில் எதையும் ஒருபோதும் நம்மால் செய்ய முடியாமல் போய்விடும். ஹெலன் கெல்லர் தன் அனுபவத்தில் உணர்ந்தும் கூறிய வார்த்தைகள் இவை. என்பது வாழ்க்கையின் ஒரு முக்கிய பகுதியாகும். ஒரு நல்ல மனிதனாக வாழ்க்கையை வாழ ஒவ்வொருவருக்கும் அது இருக்க வேண்டும். அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் உங்களை பற்றி அக்கறை கொண்டவராக இருப்பீர்கள். ஒரு பச்சாபாதத்தின் அறிகுறிகளை அறிந்து கொள்வது வித்தியாசத்தை கண்டுபிடிக்க உதவும்.
இரக்கம் என்பது வேறொருவர் சோகத்தில் ஆழ்ந்திருக்கும் போது அவர் பால் காட்டும் உணர்வாகும். திருக்குறள் மூலம் உணர்த்த வருகிறார்கள்.
வணக்கம். My name is Sudeepa. Third standard. திருக்குறள். கருமம் செறியாமல் கண்ணோட வல்லவர்க்கு உரிமை உடுத்து உலகு. தேங்க்யூ.
இரக்கம். இரக்கமும் உறக்கமும் ஒன்றுதான், இரண்டையுமே அளவோடுதான் பயன்படுத்த வேண்டும் என்ற தலைப்பில் பேச வருகிறார் என் தோழி ஸ்ரீஹரிணி.
அதிகம் உறங்குபவன் சோம்பேறி ஆகிறான். அதிகம் இரக்கம் காட்டுபவன் ஏமாளி ஆகிறான். மனிதனின் சிறந்த குணமே இரக்க குணம். பணம் உலகத்தை கவரும், அழகு உள்ளத்தை கவரும். வார்த்தைகள் மனிதரை கவரும். இரக்கம் நிறைந்த ஒரு செயல் கடவுளையே கவரும். नंरी।
नमस्ते, मेरा विषय सहानुभूति। नमस्कार दोस्तों, सहानुभूति क्या है? सहानुभूति का अर्थ है किसी दूसरे की दुखद स्थिति को वास्तव में ऐसे महसूस करना जैसे कि वह आपके साथ घटित हो रही हो। सहानुभूति का अनुभव करने वाले नेता जन को आना दीवाना बना लेता है। आज इस विषय पर मेरे मित्र आपको विचार सुनाने आ रहे हैं। धन्यवाद।
विचार मिल सकता है तो प्यार ही चाहिए। नफरत कर लेना सह लेंगे, लेकिन किसी की सहानुभूति
कभी किसकुले चिड़िया रानी तुम पेड़ों की रानी सुबह सवेरे उठ जाती हो ना जाने क्या गाती हो क्यों क्या तुम भी पढ़ने को जाती हो या नौकरी करने को जाती हो शाम से पहले आती हो बच्चों को दाना लाती हो घर बच्चों खिलाती दाना चू चू चे सुनाती गाना धन्यवाद
कविता चींटी रानी सुधर सयानी चींटी रानी मीठे चीजों की दीवानी जितनी छोटी उतने गन सदा काम करने की धुन एक बार जो दिल में ठाना बस पूरा करके दिखलाना सुधर सयानी चींटी रानी धन्यवाद The feeling that you understand and share another person's experience and emotions.
Empathy is to imagine what it must be like for me to walk the path I am given. To imagine that you see. Poem Empathy. Imagine for a moment, knowing that it will go away, won't give you special insight on how it is for me each day. Let me not try for empathy, but rather for a loving hand to hold and to steady us when we find it hard to stand. Let me hold the dozen for you. I may have never walked a mile in your shoes, but I can see that you souls are wore and your strength in turn under the weight of the story. Thank you.
Spectators of dance experience empathy when even by sitting still they feel they are participating in the movement. They observe and experience related feelings and ideas.
enjoyed our PPS Grooming Buds online PPL program. I would like to thank all the parents for your time and attention. I am so happy for your kind cooperation and support in making our online class as well as online PPL to reach another milestone and making it as a grand success. In our journey as an assertive educational path, we are traveling together for the welfare of students. I request all the parents to focus on the following areas to help your ward to grow up in a healthy way. Make them busy in your household chores. Take time for your kids, make communication a priority. Focus on their writing skill to boost their self-esteem. Set limits and to be consistent with their discipline. Be a good role model, show that your love is unconditional. I would like to congratulate all the students for showing keen interest in academics and actively participating in various co-curricular activities and competitions conducted during this pandemic situation. My dear students, gadgets are to be used only for online classes. Textbooks are to be referred to complete the homework, task and assignment which are given to students. Students, I believe that all of you are following safety measures, washing your hands frequently, using face masks and being away from the people who are coughing and sneezing. Have a balanced diet and stay healthy. My dear students, a little progress each day adds up to a big result. So dear children, work hard regularly to reach your goal. Thank you.
Greetings to all the members. It gives me immense pleasure to share my thoughts with you at this PPL program. The PPL presentation gives us a fair idea about the way the teachers are preparing our children in all domains of learning. Though the transition from offline teaching to online posed some challenges in the initial phase, our teachers, with the support of continuous online training sessions and absolute resolution, picked up the nuances of handling the online classes with ease. COVID-19 not only gave us challenges to face, but also provided opportunities to explore. In fact, you would be surprised to know that our teachers together have completed 987 online training courses till this period of time. I sincerely appreciate and thank my coordinators and fraternity members for enabling us to sustain the academic continuity and maintain the high standard of the institution even during this hot period. My dear parents, I once again am pleased to share with you that our school is an authorized examination center of the prestigious Cambridge University, UK, for all school level Cambridge qualifications. The details of these Cambridge qualifications have already been shared with you on Parents App. Also, we have introduced artificial intelligence as a skill subject in grade 9 this year after obtaining due approval from CBSE. This subject is expected to change the world scenario in every way in the coming years. We appreciate your patience and the spirit of cooperation at all times. As online teaching will continue to bridge the learning gaps, I sincerely advise all the parents to support your children in all possible manner. Please do remember that every child needs a teacher, a guru, a guide, a friend and a true well-wisher. We, the VPS family, shall fully strive to fulfill the aspirations of budding stars of VPS. Reflecting upon the age-old adage, on this auspicious occasion of Deepavali, we need to affirm to ourselves that we will together illumine the world as the world is one. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Happy Deepavali to one and all.
Last but not least, a big thank you to each one of you who made this program a memorable one for all of us. On behalf of Grade 3, I thank our Principal Sir for giving us this opportunity. I thank all our teachers and friends for encouraging us. Thank you.